I just finished this vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. It has the classic German yellow and red bird. It's original. It's really in wonderful cosmetic condition. It does have a little bit of patina, which is appropriate. So I gently restored the cage to provide appropriate luster, but also to maintain the patina from, this would have been made in the 1940s. Notice the bird has the whiter loop feet, so it's a solid brass bird underneath the feathers, so that is desirable. Let's go ahead and listen to a play. We're going to start off in the pause mode. Has a nice pause. All singing bird cages have a pause function, and if it does not work, that means there's something wrong with the mechanical movement. Let's turn it to continuous. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes. Notice the bird's beak opens and closes and flaps its tail, synchronized to the bird song, and the head also rotates from left to right. It's a very nice example. Go ahead and turn it off. So in summary, a vintage, mid-1940s, possibly early 1950s, Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage in wonderful cosmetic and mechanical condition. Take care.